Hi, today I'm going to be talking about some useful functions on our website that can make ordering your customer stock hair system just even easier. To start off, if you go to our hair system section in this top bar, we offer this ordering guide. And this ordering guide really has anything that you could ever want to know about ordering your hair system. If you're curious about different types of gray hair, say, there's this. It has a video that talks about different types of gray hair, and it talks about gray hair percentage and the different types of gray hair that we offer, and we have this for just all sorts of things. So this can really guide you on what type of hair system you should order to fit your exact needs when it comes to style and longevity of the hair system. Similarly, we have this how-to section right here. This is more about how to place your orders. How to send in your hair sample, or here we have our order form, or how to avoid common mistakes. And we offer a hair care section that can really help you out in taking care of your hair system. We also have just got in this brand new guide which makes finding a hair system if you're new or maybe just looking for something new very easy. You just click here, you enter in if you're a man or a woman. You say if you have top hair loss or if you've lost all the hair on your head. You pick if you want a breathable system or you want a skin system. You say if reality is more important or durability is more important for you. And our website generates a couple of great options that match just your exact needs. Onward from here, we have a price calculator. If you click on any hair system, you can just find this price calculation feature that allows you to see how much a hair system will cost just very easily based on like what type of thing you want. If you want Remy hair, if you want a longer hair length, if you want some gray hair, bleach knots, cut in style, and production time. Really, this just will show you exactly how much your hair system will cost, so you know how much it'll cost. If you have any questions, you can contact our customer support team at support@lordhair.com, or you can just look through these places on our website that I've shown you, because there are just a ton of answers there.
Lord Hair, for a better you.